Hey, what's going on, guys? Taken sent me these rechargeable AA batteries for free so I can test them out and let you know what I think about them. So you can see they're actually branded on there for solar light batteries, but I'm going to use them for something else. So you can see they come in a nice, cool, slim box. And here's how they come in the pack. So I'm going to crack these open, and this is a game, old school game that my daughter loves playing, and she just runs through batteries. It's not like battery efficient or anything like that. So I'm really excited to have these as rechargeable batteries so I can go and use them and stop buying batteries all the time. So go ahead and crack these open. So this takes 3. And there it is. So, I mean, just like it should with any good batteries, they're not dead batteries. It came back on, it's perfect. So excited to run through these and throw them on the charger and let her keep playing and without me having to keep buying batteries over and over.